Good morning, everyone. I'm Currency Geek, and welcome to my day 12 video of the 100 Days of Technical Analysis Challenge. Today ERJPY caught my interest, and let's dive right into it. You see, I actually took a trade on ERJPY to the downside. That was because of there was a W formation on the weekly time frame. This W formation, yeah. So I had to settle for just this corrective move to the downside. That was last week. Now I'll take all of this off, and my sentiment, my current sentiment on ERJPY is to go sorry, is to go long to the upside. Now the reason I look to go long to the upside is on the charts to be precise. So we had a W formation, and the retest to the neckline, if it even went down below the neckline to this level, yeah. So to this level of price, looking left to get right, I can see this is a previous area of structure. Yeah. Yes, so this is a previous area of structure, and I can tag this as um buy zone. Buy buy zone. Okay, so knowing that this is a buy zone, and also this major downtrend, if I take a trend line and put it on the week, okay, sorry, let me turn on my magnet. Yes, so on the week to the downside, we can see price already broke out of this bearish trend and did a retest, and price currently moving to the upside. So sorry, this is another confluence, more reason I would like to go long, and maybe my target will be here, like 90% of the whole move. So it's actually a long ride to the upside. So it's just a target, or 90% rule. Okay, so target or 90% rule, 90% of this move will occur again to the upside. So it's a long ride to the upside, and I'll look to key in on this, like possibly get my entry and scaling at every point in time where I see a retest or a retracement. So um knowing that we have a bearish trend that broke a W pattern formation that has retested the neckline or the area of the neckline, I look to go long to the upside on this. Now to the daily time frame. Um on the daily time frame, we can see we have this morning star candle pattern formation, an impulsive move to the downside, an indecision candle, then a impulsive move to the upside. This just clarifies the whole thing. So, and also if you look left on this hand, we can see there's an evening star pattern, massive bullish momentum candle, indecision candle, and a bearish momentum candle. So all this just keeps the factors together and aligning perfectly, and wow, the target is like pretty far. Let's check how many pips that will be. Let's say I plan to key in at this break of structure. Yeah, that's around, wow, 1k 300. So that's 1k 300 pips, a good amount of pips. So knowing that ERJPY will be going to the long side, I won't look to buy at this area of structure. No, I won't look to buy. Yeah, I know it's actually a retest to the downside, but I'll be waiting for this last level of structure to break. It has already created a higher high, a higher low, so I'm expecting a higher high. But if I do get a possible entry trigger on a lower time frame around this area of structure, yeah, I'll look to buy. But I'll be waiting for a break of this structure to be more conservative. A break of this structure. Wait for break of this structure. Okay, so what I'll be expecting is this type of movement. Possibly it moves higher to this level. Then So I'll be expecting is this. If it does move high to this level, because looking back into price and the previous thing price has actually done around this area, it's a key area of structure. Yeah, this whole area, this area, it's a key area of structure. So if price does move higher, break this level, this one, wait for break of this structure, then it pulls back into this area of structure here. I'll look to go long on ERJPY. So my sentiment on ERJPY is to go long, on ERJPY because it's a big ride to the upside. So to the 4 hour time frame, let's go get it. So we can see there has been impulsive and corrective move pattern to the upside with a major retracement back down, and we have some sort of W pattern here. I'll look to possibly, if this extends to the upside a bit and does a little retracement back into this area of structure, I might key in with a minimum lot size that fits my account, then to ride it to the upside generally. But if we look closely, this is a CTL, a corrective trend line. So and the corrective trend line broke, but there is no retest yet on it. So a CTL the center. Okay. So we have a CTL, a corrective trend line to the downside, and it's broke. So there should be possibly a retest. So if a retest does occur on this CTL, I'll look to key in, then leave out this area structure for another opportunity to scale in. So I might ride it back up to that zone I highlighted on the daily time frame. Then when the retracement happens back into the zone, I'll look to key in if I see some sort of trigger around this area. Now to the 1 hour time frame. So the breakout already happened and a retest with an impulsive move to the downside. But price currently retraced back to this previous high it created here. This area of structure right here. So if this current candle closes above, it's possibly a trigger for me. But I do get most of my entries on the 4 hour time frame, so I'll be expecting a retest to the downside. I mean, yeah, a retest of this broken structure. Yeah, then possibly if I do key in at a retest, then this will just be my target based on the 4 hour time frame. 90% of this CTL of the move the CTL makes. So 90%, 90%. I'll look to just get 90% of this and see what price does around this area. Then if it breaks and continues moving to the upside, I'll look to hold my position. But once it gets here, I'll break even. So that's my sentiment on ERJPY. I look to go long on ERJPY. It's a long-term trade to be precise, a major swing trade. So with that being said, I hope you learned you understood the way I actually broke down price on this chart, and also how long it will move. I did explain that, and I hope you gained something from it. That's just it. So thanks for watching this video, and please do, if you have a sentiment for or against this analysis on ERJPY, please do drop it in the comment box down below. Please like and follow. Thank you.